So they'll just walk you down here. They'll pretty much set you up with a kayak. You'll sit on it. You can buy the double or you can rent the singles. We got the single one. Ciao. Look at you just floating. Yeah, so the rest is kind of deep here. Can't see anything underwater. Some trees that I don't know what they're called. Sorry guys, I'm not a plant expert here. You don't have to be a plant expert to know these trees, I'm sure, but I really just don't know anything about plants. All right, well, I'm gonna start paddling that way. So yeah, it's nice out here. Beautiful view. Dirty shoes. Look how clear the water is. So nice. He said we could go throughout this whole canal and not the ocean.
Huh?
Where did he say not to go? Well, he said stay close to shore because of the wind at a certain time. But yeah, when you get into the facility, they'll show you pretty much the map that they recommend you taking, what places to avoid. Apparently there's manatees. I haven't seen a single one, but I mean, I only rented it for an hour because it's my first time kayaking, so just wanted to try it out, see how I liked it, and I think I'm definitely gonna keep doing this. At one point I was paddling or whatever, and I just kept going in circles, and it turns out you have to hold both of these evenly, I guess. See the silver and the black, just make sure you're holding both sides evenly, so you're not like giving more power to one side than the other, basically, because that's what kept happening to me. I just kept turning in circles and getting nowhere. And there was a boat heading towards me. I thought I was going to be murdered by the boat. Yeah, so it's a nice day out. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. Wow. It's phenomenal. What are these things?
What?
All this, like, grass? I lost my virginity today, guys. It was a good experience, but I need practice because my biggest struggle was literally I would be hurt. Nice little area. So we are gonna go for a swim.